Welcome to today's video. So in this video we're looking at a method for making money online which can earn up to $2,000 a month passively. It can also earn more, and as always it can also earn a little bit less. Now the idea for today's video is it came about because I was doing a bit of research for an article over on the website here, because if you don't know, we've been sharing ways of earning online and working from home since 2017. We've got lots of articles over on the website, we've got free courses over here, and we also have a free members area. So if you want more resources, go ahead and check them out. So if I come over here, I was doing a bit of research and I came across this article over here. Now you can see where's it gone? Look, I made on average I made on average 2k every month from selling Canva templates. Now, if you don't know, Canva is free to get started with, and this person here, basically what they're doing is they're creating templates, and I'll share an example of one of those in a second for you, because I've actually bought one of these previously. And basically, they use Canva to create templates and create ideas, and then they take these and they sell them on different marketplaces. And you can see down here, we've got over on Etsy, Creative Market, and also their own shop here. And on average, in 2020, this person here was earning $2,350. Now you can see here, they started in 2019, and look, steadily for the first year in 2020, they earned this amount of money. So, it took a little over a year to build it up to $2,350 a month using this software over here. Now, I will drop a link to Canva down below for you. You can go ahead and have a look at this and play around with this. But let me just show you some examples of this, and I'll share with you what I actually bought. So if I come over here onto Etsy, you can see, not this one, this one over here. You see, I bought this on the 24th of September 2020. It cost me £15, and I'll show you this now, what this is, because this is a Canva template. So this person over here, they've created this product one time, and they've uploaded it onto Etsy to sell, obviously, and I have bought that, and many other people have. Now you can see here, inside of this person's shop here, they've had 4,231 sales. And this is what it looks like inside of these templates, what they've created. So what's included, we can see we've got Pinterest templates, we've got standard pins, tall pins, and lots more. Now, obviously, if you're not on Pinterest, none of that will make any sense, but don't worry, I'll share some other examples of this for you. But basically, let me come over here into Canva, and I'll show you this really quickly. So inside of Canva here, we have all of these different options along the top. So if I was to type in here, let's just type in Pinterest like so. You can see we have got templates. So if I come down here, we can see, look, Pinterest pin. So if I click on there now, it will open up into a new tab for me. Now, inside of here, we have all of these options. Now, I use the paid account, but you can go with a free account, and you can see here where it says Pro, this means you can't use it because you have to have the Pro account. But you look for a free one, like this one here, for example, or this one. And you can go into any of these, so let me just click on one, and it will open up for you. Then inside of here, you can see this here would be page one, essentially. Now, with this software over here, it's awesome. It's literally drag and drop. You've got elements on here. You've got text, styles, logos, images, and lots more. And if you want to move any part of it around, you can move it like so. If you don't like the colour, the background colour, again, you can click on here, you can change the colour. You can move this around. The font, again, you can change the font if you don't like it. So let's just go with Lita 1. Let's change that. If I don't like the colour here, I can change this to say, red. Something like this. And it's really straightforward and simple. So that there, essentially, would be one pin. And I could take that pin and upload it onto Pinterest. Now, if you come back over here, you can see this one had 90 templates. So this over here is one, but I got 90, which was done for me. And then I can basically go into these, and you can see, look, you can add a large heading here, and there's lots inside of here. And this is one example. Now, if I come over to their actual shop, and I'll show you this really quickly, we'll go into their shop. Now, let's scroll down. Now, on the left-hand side here, look at the prices, 19, so I'm in the UK, it's UK pricing, but this is about $22, $23. We can see they've got all of these different templates. It's not just for Pinterest. We can see they've got Instagram, Facebook, branding templates, lead magnet templates, media kits, YouTube. What is YouTube? Let's have a look at that. YouTube template. YouTube thumbnails. So again, what they've done is they've gone into Canva. Let's just have a look at this really quickly. look, they've gone into Canva using the software and they've created these thumbnails, which basically they're just blank. And you can see on here, you literally put in your title. And I mean, some of these are just, I mean, look at this one here, video title. That would literally take a couple of minutes in Canva to create that. Let's have a look at the next one. It's not hard work by any stretch of the imagination whatsoever. A lot of this is literally just an image background and a bit of text. It's crazy. So let me close out with that. Let's just go back over here and have a look at some more. So we've got more down here. YouTube templates, Airbnb, look, real estate templates. And people are buying these. Obviously, we can see over here, this person, this Fallon, she's had 4,200 sales. So if I click on there, you can also see what's selling. You can see, look, these are the most recent ones. So we can scroll down here. We can see, look, this one is the most recent one. This one, this one, this one. And here's the thing, look at this one, just listed real estate templates versus this one over here. Do they look similar? You bet they do, because a lot of the time what they'll be doing is using, one set of templates and then editing them slightly for another one. And as you can see over here, very similar style and layout. Scroll further on the page, look, lead magnet bundle, Instagram templates. Come down here and you can go through and have a look at these. Now this is just one way that you can actually use Canva to make money, which is selling these templates over here. And as we can see over here from this article, this is over on the sideblogger.com, you can see these are other things. Here's some other ideas. Look, Canva is useful when you need to create simple but high quality things for your business. Some examples include blog graphics, word books, ebooks, media kits, graphics, presentations. There's lots of things you can do inside of Canva over here. If I go back over to the home page, if you just click on home, and you can see over here, at this moment in time, you could click on presentations. Guess what? You can create presentations in here. You can go over to social media, and we can go ahead and have a look at these. Look, Instagram posts, Facebook, Instagram stories, reels, lots of stuff inside of here. Go back up to the top, we've got videos in here. You've got print products, marketing, and lots more. But overall, look, Canva is an absolutely awesome tool and it's free. So, if you are looking for a way to start earning money online, I highly recommend you to go ahead and check out this. Now, I'll share with you a couple more examples over on Etsy. So if I come over here, we can see we've got, in fact, let me just type, I'm just going to type this in. I'm going to type in Instagram posts. And all you need to do is have a look at what other people are doing. So if I scroll down here, I mean, 100 real estate posts for £20, 100 posts over here for £34, so that's about $40. And all you need to do is, you don't have to just sell templates. You can come in and see what other people are selling themselves and, have a look at it, see if you can create something similar in Canva and then list these items on Etsy. And before, I can already hear the skeptics, well, there's people already selling on here, it's saturated, it's not worth the time. They say the same about YouTube, they say about affiliate marketing, about blogging. There's always a negative to, any potential out there. All you need to do is literally commit to this and stay consistent. And as you've seen over here in this one example, this person over here, in a little over a year, went from earning zero to over $2,000. In fact, if I click on, I'm going to go back and we'll have a look at this. And you can see this is what I typed in Google, how much I make selling Canva templates. We've got this article over here. Let's scroll down. Making sense of sense. How I make $2,000 a month selling templates. Look at this one here. How I made 5k in 30 days selling Canva templates. Guess what? Everyone starts at the same point. They start with no experience or essentially no sales. And they're literally going ahead and getting started with this. So you can go ahead and, go on to Google, have a look at some of these articles, have a look at some of these videos. Look, make money with Canva templates, how to sell Canva templates. All of these down here. There's lots of ways that you can make money with this piece of software, and it's free. So look, that's today's video. Hope it give you some thoughts, some ideas for this, but it's absolutely possible. and it's free. So there will be a link to Canva down below if you want to go ahead and check it out. I highly recommend you do. Just go over there and, play around with this, have a look at what's going on and just, get used to it. But it really isn't that hard in any way, shape or form to use this, to, go over to the images and search for things. And yeah, it's pretty awesome. So look, if you've got any questions, let me know. And don't forget, if you want some of these free resources, just go over to the website. You can check out the members area. So yeah, thanks again. Have a great day and I'll see you tomorrow.